Hi friends, let's continue and explore the custom preloading strategy today. So in previous video we have seen the preload all modules, this feature from Angular. Now today we'll see the how to create our custom preloading strategy based on the requirement. So the use case or the usability of this custom preloading strategy is comes into play like when you don't need all the lazy loader module to be loaded at once, right? So unlike the preload all module feature, that in that case all the modules that are loaded lazily will be loaded in the background, right? This can be a bad impression. This can give a bad impression to the user, right? So the reason of this, like, user may have limited amount of data. User may be ser searching or the going through your website from the mobile, from the iPad, right? So they may have some limited kind of data availability there. So I cannot just load all the module in the background, right? So it will be a very bad user experience. So uh, better is to decide that which module I would like to load in background. As I have already explained in the previous video, like, based on the probability, we'll be loading the module in background using preload strategies, right? So this is very handy for that. So let's start. So as you can see, we're in home page. So let me refresh and we'll go to the network tab. So as you know, I have about page and product page. These two modules basically loaded lazily. If I show you the router here, router configuration, you can see this product and this about, these are loaded lazily there. Okay, now I'll mention here like data load as true. Okay, I have used this data in my custom preload strategy. So let's see here. Let's refresh this and see all the pages that are required for the application. For home page is loading, then this module for the product is gets loaded in the background, but the about this one is not been loaded yet, right? So we can make our choice that which module we just want to load. We'll be loading that one only. We will not load all the one at the beginning, right? So how we do this? To do this, what I've done here, I've created one preloader. Now one points to consider that the user may be browsing your application from any mobile devices or any iPad, where user may have some limited amount of data available there. So in that situation, we should consider some things like we should not load anything if user has the data saver mode on, right? So in that case, we will not load anything in the background. And the second option is that if user has very slow internet connection, at that time also will not load anything in background. Right. So to achieve this, so what I have done here, I have modified our preload strategy here. So I have taken from the navigator, I have taken the connection details, and based on that, if user have the data saver on, we are returning the blank observable here, right? In the same scenario, if user has the 2G enabled, we are just returning the null. So to check this, let's change it to slow 3G. It will be a 2G, right? So you can see right here the product module is loaded here. Now refresh this and we'll see that it should not load the product module anymore. So let it load everything, and then we will see that home page content will show up there, but it should not load the product module here. Let's wait until it's done with the loading all the files. Yeah, as you can see, the files are loaded, but the product module is not loaded here. Once we will click here, let me clear. Once we user click here, that time it will start loading the module. So that seems very useful for this type of scenarios. So that's it, everything for the preloading strategy in Angular. So hopefully it will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.